What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This will be part 3 of the rebuilding of my 2014 BMW f30. Right now it's very difficult to source parts for these cars due to the whole economy situation and whatnot. There's a lot of things that plays a part in that, but again, I do have a few parts that I ordered that came on time, because even shipping is delayed on a lot of things, even the little things. These are the grills. These are not so good. I had to order these like 2 times, because the first time I ordered them, the seller sent me the wrong kind. He sent me grill for a E90 instead of a f30. Basically ABS plastic, but that would do just fine for now until I take care of everything else. Also, another thing was he sent me the color ones. I did not want these, but I basically just put it on or just paint it black for now, because this is a budget build. I also have the turbocharger, but these will not be going on today. I won't be installing these today until I get the downpipe. That is on the way as well. I also got some wheel spacers for the front and rear, but these are the turbos. They're nothing special. They're just the stock turbos that come with these cars, the f30. So yeah. Alright, y'all, so overall I replaced the grills. They had the M colors here, so I decided to just paint it black. I don't like that on non-M cars. This is a non-M car. It shouldn't have anything to do with M on there, so I just painted them black and I put them back on. And now the easiest thing to put on this whole car, this whole build, this is the easiest thing to do. And there you have it, a functioning start-stop button. Okay, again guys, I'm still waiting for sun visor, the antenna. I got the carbon fiber cover, but I'm waiting for the housing. Let me just take this real quick. The roof antenna. This is the cover, but I need the actual housing that this goes on top of. So yeah, I'm waiting for that too. Parts are delayed. I picked up some, well, I didn't pick up, but I received some of the packages, some of the stuff that I ordered, parts for the F30 that just arrived. I'm still having issues with shipments for certain parts, like the downpipe. I ordered that, but that was on back order, so I'm still waiting for that. As you can see, I got the gasket, the C clamps, the clamps for the downpipe and the turbos, some intake manifold, bolts and screws here, but the downpipe isn't here yet. I also got the cable, the hood latch cable for the hood release cable, because the one on the car is broken. The trim for the windshield, the one on the left side is broken, so this is the replacement. Also the antenna housing, got this from Straight Six Auto Parts. What else? This here is the windshield cowl, and this right here is part of the windshield cowl, but just parts that are missing in the engine bay, like the plastic trim covers. You know, this connects to the windshield cowl. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I'm currently waiting on right now. So this has been a very slow build, very slow process. I really don't have control over certain things like that, so you guys be patient with me. It's coming along well. So I'm hoping to get this car finished within the next 2 to 3 months, or maybe less than that. But again, I'm not a professional mechanic yet. I'm still a beginner. You know, so y'all be patient with me. The car is coming along well. So yeah, I still need to get the oil pan. That still needs to be replaced. The airbag for the steering wheel, that needs to be replaced as well. I need center caps for all 4 wheels. I need lug nuts, because these lug nuts are stuck, they won't come out. So I purchased a tool to extract the lug nuts off the 2 front wheels. The back wheels are okay, but the 2 front wheels, the remaining lug nuts, they're just stuck, they're stripped, they can't come out. So I picked up a tool to do that. That'll be done probably in the next video. I also need the rotors, they're kind of a little rusted. I need brake pads. The rotors are good, you know, but I definitely need brake pads for all 4 wheels. And yeah, man, that's basically the hard part. The rest of the parts are just, the rest of it is just little things here and there, nothing major. Again, I'm still waiting for that airbag for the steering wheel. I'm thinking about just getting the M Sport steering wheel and airbag instead of going with these regular steering wheel. So I mean, it'll be a little more than just replacing the airbag, but if I do find one at a decent price, I will be upgrading to the M Sport. I have to, again, that needs to be fixed. The headliners, I mean, not the headliner, but the sun visor for the driver's side, I ordered that, but for some reason it got damaged during shipping. So I had to reorder another one. You know, a lot of the parts that I ordered, same thing happened. Either the parts got damaged or they got stolen, or something like that happened during shipment, so it just never got to me. and I had to reorder another one. So that's one of the reasons why things are kind of delayed right now. So you guys bear with me. I'm doing the best I can. Yeah. Again, if you haven't seen any of the first 2 videos that I dropped on this car, on the rebuilding of this car, please go and check those out. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, leave a like. You know, it supports me. If you want to support me as well, my Cash App will be down in the description box below as well. But the first thing I'm going to do now is replace that weather stripping for the windshield right here. You guys can see stripping. This one goes here. Most of these parts I got from FCP Euro. So lifetime warranty, guys. Don't forget that, lifetime warranty, FCP Euro. All right, guys. As you can see, the weather stripping has been replaced. Well, okay, it ain't clicked in before, but that's in now. Right there, right there. Now we move on to the roof antenna. All right, y'all. So I basically prepped the antenna cover. I got that 3M tape back on there. I removed the old adhesive that was on the cover. Put some 3M tapes. I know some of these fins and stuff is broken off, but that doesn't matter. I think this will do. So I'm gonna clean around the area first. I gotta remove some of these old adhesive on here, the old ones, and heat up the new one and just put it on. Alright, y'all, so I cleaned the surface as much as possible. I could have used some glue gun, but I don't have any at the moment here. So next thing I'm gonna do is heat up the 3M tape, just try to put this stuff on it. Right, that's there. I don't think that's not going anywhere, and it's done. Could be better. Pretty good. If anything, I'll probably replace it or put a stronger 3M tape on that later on. But that's the progress so far. I'm still waiting for parts. That's the only thing that's delaying the completion of this car is parts. Parts are on back order. So waiting for that to arrive, and we can start doing like the major stuff, like the turbos and the downpipe. Yeah, man, that's it. I wish I could have done more. I know I could give you guys more on this video, but I really can't due to the situation I already explained. But yeah, a little bit of progress today. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. Now it's just a matter, again, like I said about 3 times already in this video, it's just a matter of me waiting on parts, because a lot of parts are on back order, especially the downpipe. I ordered the downpipe, that's on back order. I had to cancel the order, make another order at another on a different website. I'm basically gonna go with a high flow catted downpipe from CTS Turbo, most likely, or a VRSF high flow catted downpipe. Either one. The CTS Turbo is it's a lot cheaper, about $100 or 100 and change cheaper than the VRSF. So whichever one I get my hands on first is what I'm going with. So again, I apologize. I wish I could have done more in this video, but again, it's just a matter of me waiting on parts, and you know, until those main parts gets here, that's the only thing that's really delaying the conclusion of this build. So again, if you enjoy this content, if you enjoy what I'm doing and you want to support me, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram right here. Follow me on Instagram. Whatever I do to my cars, I always post it on Instagram first before posting it on YouTube. That's just how it is. Again, I appreciate you guys, all the people who watch. If you watch, you comment, you subscribe, I appreciate you very much. I thank you guys. I'm doing the best that I can. I'm only human. I'm only one guy, you know, I'm only one guy doing this. So again, thank you again for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.